Hello, and welcome. In this video, we'll walk through the process of unloading a Foltex AT230 from an enclosed Conestoga straight truck using a forklift. Before accepting the delivery, it's crucial to inspect the unit for any damage on all sides and underneath. If you spot any damage, you should either refuse the shipment or document all damages on the bill of lading before signing. If damages are noted, we recommend contacting us before releasing the driver. Please note that freight claims must be filed at the receiving end, and Foltex USA cannot cover repair costs once the shipment is accepted. If you find concealed damage after delivery, immediately notify the carrier and file a written claim. To begin, this is an example of a Conestoga carrying our equipment. Both of these are actual units with Foltex equipment inside, shipped to be removed without a dock or dock plate. This allows us to extract the machine from the side of the truck while on an appropriate surface. The minimum requirement for the forklift is as follows. 6-foot unloading forks. Minimum of 4,400 pounds or 2,000 kilograms capacity. Appropriate terrain for your forklift. Proper ventilation if non-electric. Any additional rigging equipment should follow a minimum safety factor of 4:1, though it is best to follow manufacturer and insurance recommendations. Following equipment and insurance recommended guides, unloading from the truck is very straightforward. Do note, while it is seemingly intuitive to lift the machine perpendicular on the pallet, this should not be done. Instead, lift the machine from the midsection. Lifting from the lower frame rail or the pallet may result in structural damage to the machine. Check before lifting the machine to see if the stacker flaps are still secured and closed. The forks must go completely through the machine for proper lifting. Damage will occur otherwise. If lifting with slings or chains, ensure proper precautions are met. Minimum lifting angle for slings and chains is 45 degrees. Lifting may be done by the supplied eyelets on the machine. Here you can see a telehandler lifting the equipment from the proper area. Note that the opposite side of the shipment may be easier to lift. This side must reach over the exit conveyor based on circumstance. Take this into account depending on your configuration. Once the equipment is in a safe and secured location, investigate it for damage. Before you unwrap it, please secure the unloading hardware bit. It is a T40 Torx by 1/4 inch quick connect shank bit. This is attached to the outer protective wrapping for the machine. Locate it before removal. Next, we'll unmount the unit from the shipping pallet. To do this, there are 6 Torx head lag bolts, 3 on each side of the machine. You'll also need to remove the electrical and pneumatic cabinet doors. The bolts are located here, here, and here on both sides. Depending on your machine's configuration, you may need an extension to reach all of the lag bolts. Now that all lag bolts are removed, the machine is free to be lifted. Again, follow lifting instructions as shown. We recommend setting the leveling feet to a minimum height of 4 inches. There are 3 feet per machine side. Enjoy your new Foltex machine.